In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for Gmail. Let's get started by exploring how you can manually use Chatgpt to craft and respond to emails effectively. First, navigate to chat.openai.com. This site is your gateway to where all the AI magic unfolds. Imagine you need a polished reply to a client who's inquiring about a product update. All you need to do is type in something like, "Write a professional reply to a client asking for a product update." Once you submit your request, Chatgpt will generate a draft for you. It's important to take a moment to review the content to ensure that it aligns nicely with the message you want to communicate. When you're satisfied with the draft, just copy the text and paste it directly into your Gmail Compose window. It's as simple as that. This manual approach is fantastic if you prefer to have more control over the content. However, if you're interested in streamlining this process further, you might want to consider using a Chrome extension that's specifically designed for integrating Chatgpt with Gmail. To begin, head over to the Chrome Web Store. Use the search function to look up Chatgpt for Gmail or Chatgpt Writer. Once you've found an extension that suits your needs, click on Add to Chrome. For those using the Brave browser, the process is similar. Simply click on Add to Brave. Pay close attention to any permissions that the extension requests. It's crucial to review these permissions, making sure they are necessary and that you're comfortable with what you agree to. Once the extension is installed, you're ready to put it to work. Now, open Gmail. When you start composing a new email or preparing to reply to someone, you should notice a Chatgpt icon or a suggestion box within your email interface. This feature is incredibly handy. By clicking on it, you can auto-generate drafts, provide quick email replies, or receive concise summaries using AI technology. This automation does not only save you precious time but also significantly boosts the quality and professionalism of your email communications. Integrating Chatgpt with your Gmail is an exciting way to bring AI's language capabilities right to your fingertips. It helps you compose clear, coherent, and professional emails effortlessly. Whether you choose the manual approach or opt for the seamless experience of using a Chrome extension, both methods empower you with tools to elevate your email game. So, go ahead and try out these methods to revolutionize how you handle your email correspondence.